In this lesson, we'll talk about liquid templating. But turn off all the distractions and please pay attention to this one. I would be covering quite a bit of liquid templating. So for liquid, it's not a programming language. You don't need to be a coder. So it's a templating language in plain text format, as you can see. For example, if person has full name, I could have filter operation on that name or full name, and I could filter out first name or last name out of it. Another example is now, or with one curly brace or bracket with %, space, now, space, %, and single curly bracket or brace. So let's say 100 or 1,000 people opted in, and you have a custom field opted in underscore ebook or whatever that custom okay, so that can be useful at times. And split, and the next one is a string of text. You capitalize, and as I mentioned, it only capitalizes the first letter of first word. And so in Encharge, for any person, any subscriber, it's whatever the tags are assigned to that person is, and then that's it. Then that's how you end it. Okay, so that's all in this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.